प्रोफेसर टीएन सरासू को पीएम ने फोन किया है। केरल के अलाथुर से बीजेपी उम्मीदवार हैं सरासू। पीएम मोदी ने चुनावी अभियान के बारे में जानकारी ली। सहकारी बैंक घोटाले में कड़ी कार्रवाई का वादा भी किया। इससे पहले जो संदेशखाली से बीजेपी उम्मीदवार हैं उनसे भी प्रधानमंत्री ने फोन पर बात की थी और अब जानकारी यह है कि चुनाव अभियान के बारे में एक और कैंडिडेट से पीएम ने बात की है।
सरसू जी नमस्कारम, सुखमानो।
Sugandhanne,
How is your election campaign going on?
it is very well going on. Yesterday I started. I am telling the people of Alathur, our Modi ji ka sankalp hai sabka saath sabka vikas. I told them I will also work for that, and I have Modi ji ki guarantee. So I will do whatever I could do for this Alathur. That is what I am telling them, sir.
Acha, Professor Sarsu, tell us about your efforts and struggle in the college.
Sir, I was trying to do my duty in the college, sir. But the thing is that there are leftist teachers in the college and the SFI also. They want the principal to do according to their wishes, what they tell you. You have to do accordingly. But I was not ready to do like that. That is why they did all these things to me. But I was a teacher there for 25 years and I was principal for 1 year. In that, I did whatever I could do. I never gave any importance to those students or the teachers. Sir, can I request you something, sir?
Please, please.
Sir, here is a problem in Kerala with all the cooperative banks, which are governed by the CPM leaders. But actually they did this, they loot all the money the poor people deposited in the bank and they are not getting back their money. So there is great complaint from the part of the people here. Some of the people died also because of lack of money for treatment and all. These people are not giving them money. So that is a very big problem here, sir. Sir, please could you do something against this, sir?
Professor Sarsu ji, I am happy that as a candidate, you are taking the issue of the people and the common man's problem as a good thing for any public servant. And I am happy to hear this, that you are raising the issue. Yes, I have heard about it. I have some detail about it. And you are right that a lot of poor people have been affected. Our government will take strict action against everyone involved. And we will ensure that the poor get justice. And one more thing, Sarsuji, I would like to tell you that I will take the legal advice, and whatever property the ED will attach and the money are involved of the common man's money, I will see that each and every paisa should return to the person concerned. And that we will do that. So on behalf of me, you can promise them that whatever property attached by the ED, that money will be returned to the people, those who have invested in the bank. So Professor Sarju ji, you have done so much work among the youth in Kerala. What will be your plan after becoming a member of parliament?
Sir, that is what I already told you, sir. I have Modi ji's guarantee. I am with you, sir. Sabka vikas, sabka saath. That is what I am going to do. I will do whatever I could do for the development of the Alathur constituency, sir.
तो केरल की अलाथुर सीट से प्रत्याशी हैं टीएन सरासू और प्रधानमंत्री ने उनसे बात की। टीएन सरासू उस वक्त चर्चा में आई थी जब 3 डिकेड की दरअसल अध्यापन के बाद प्रिंसिपल बतौर वो रिटायर हुई थी और उस वक्त एसएफआई स्टूडेंट्स की तरफ से एक प्रदर्शन का तरीका जो अख्तियार किया गया था